Okay. Hi. Okay, now, today we're going to show off our chow gardens. This is my normal garden. I beat all the races and stuff, so I got TV and ball, and I got a Jack-in-the-Box and stuff. Okay, but anyway, here are my chow. This is Kirby. He was my very first chow. He loves me. This is Inviso, my translucent chow. Don't ask why I named him Inviso. I don't really know either. I guess when I got him I thought he was an invisible chow, but now I know he's just a translucent chow. Okay, well, here's my soon-to-be Chaos chow. Chaos. Not very original. He's tired right now. Here's Speed, my Sonic chow. Not done yet. And Super P. P stands for Platinum. It's like Super Random. Okay, well, now for my hero garden. I'm not sure if I named all the chow or not. Gotta think of names. Comment and give me names if I haven't named them. This is unnamed, but he's a blue two-tone chow. Yeah, blue two-tone. This is Tucker. That's Weirdo 2. Weirdo 1's around here somewhere. Find him. Weirdo is just a really demented looking hero chow. As soon as I find him, I'll show it to you. Yeah, this is Weirdo. Yeah, he hates Sonic and pretty much everybody else he comes in contact with. Okay, here's a regular blue chow. I don't think I have named yet either. Fred. Okay, I guess I have. And here is unnamed. Just a regular hero chow. Here's Honey. Regular dark chow. Here's AD, my freaky necklace type shadow type chow thing. He's pretty cool. I think that's all the chow in my garden. Yes. Now for the dark garden. To the dark garden. Here we go. I don't think I've named out all the chow down here either, but like I said, comment, give me names. Big chow. He's unnamed, but he's a hero chow in the dark garden. AJ6. I had 5 other AJs, so please don't ask. Marura. I don't know. He's gonna be a dark chow sooner or later. This guy's unnamed, yeah. Red chow, really demented animal parts. And here's a regular chow, unnamed. Wait, is that a regular chow? No, that's a light blue chow. Okay, yeah, I think that's all my chow. Besides on my other memory cards, but we'll get to those later. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.